Hello, adventurers, friends, travelers, and welcome to Bragworthy Adventures. I'm your host, Rose, and today we're going to talk about capsule wardrobes. So I had a business trip this week. Actually, it's a 2-week business trip, and I thought the best way to travel for this sort of extended amount of time would be to have a wardrobe that I could manipulate and use the same pieces multiple times so I can get the most out of my luggage, the weight requirements. I could bring other things like fun clothes for the weekends. And I wanted to show you what I brought and what my plan is for outfits. You can do the same sort of idea with other wardrobes to make it easier to pack your clothes and know that you're going to get so many uses out of them. So I brought 4 tops, 4 bottoms, 2 pairs of pants and 2 jackets, 3 necklaces, and 2 pairs of shoes. So that's all I brought. Some of the main principles behind a capsule wardrobe is to have multiple things that can all work together. So that way you can pair the pants with almost any of the shirts and create an outfit right there. And then you can upgrade those outfits or change them, tweak them a little bit by adding the jackets or a necklace or changing the shoes so that they don't look exactly the same. So I'm going to show you what I got, and I'll show you some of the outfits I wear these 2 weeks, and then I'll show you probably some of the ones that I thought of but didn't wear, and you can tell me what you think, and then hopefully apply this when you need to get a lot out of a little clothes for your next trip. I'm going to start with tops. All of my tops are one color. They're not patterned, but I do have some patterned things like a dress and a jacket because I wanted a little bit of variety, and that can make it a little harder to match things, but you have to do your capsule wardrobe based on your personality. Okay, so let's start with tops. I have this nice button-down top. It can be worn both casually and not casually and matches every single pant I brought. So that one's good. I brought a white tunic top. I thought it was a classic piece. A white button-down's always really nice, and it can really be changed by what jacket you pair with it or necklace you put on it. It's kind of a nice just blank background and also matches every single bottom. Now this next one, I feel like it could match every single bottom, absolutely, but it's just a little more noticeable. So it's a nice gray, kind of very structured top, and it comes with this matching material belt. I didn't wear the belt the first time, so I can wear it the second time and make it look different. The last top is this green, deep emerald green top. And it just adds a pop of color against a lot of neutrals. So I thought that would be nice. And since a lot of my things are in the same color scheme of blue, green, or neutral, they can all match. Next, I'll show you my bottoms. We have 2 skirts and 2 pants. So for the skirts, I wanted to play with textures since I'm not going too strong into patterns or too many colors. So I brought a leather skirt. It's an A-line skirt. So this can be with the white tunic. I can tuck it in and have this a little higher. I can have the gray shirt untucked over it. Black shirt I can put on this tucked if I want a little tougher look. And the green shirt, easily tuck that in, put that in here, and there's 4 outfits already with just 4 shirts and 1 skirt. The next skirt is one of the first items I'm showing you that does not match one of the other items. It's a green skirt, and it's nice and super comfortable, stretchy, so I thought it'd be nice because I have to wear business casual every day, so why not have one business casual that's not too structured, but it doesn't really go well with a green top. Makes me kind of look like a blob. So that's the only one it wouldn't pair with, but I could wear this with the black shirt, white shirt, gray tunic, and then I could wear it with the black shirt, add a tan jacket, you know, just a lot of different variations, but it didn't match one item. I just thought it was important to have the color and the comfort of this skirt, so still brought it. The next pant is a blue. I could have gone darker like a navy blue, but this is the pant that I love the most because it fits really well, and fit makes an outfit. So I brought this nice blue pant. It matches every single one of the shirts, although I feel like with the green shirt it's a little intense of an outfit for me, so I don't think that's something I would do this week, but it can be done. So there's that one. Then we have the tan pants. Tan pants are nice, loose, go with every single top. The only thing I don't think they go with is one of the jackets. I mean, I guess it could, but I just don't like it. But another neutral for these outfits. We also have two dresses. The first one is polka dotted, and it goes really well with one of the jackets, but not at all with the other jacket. The other dress I think is great because I can change it so much because it's so basic. It's just a classic little black dress, something that everyone should have in their wardrobe. Last two pieces of clothing I'll show you are the jackets. We've got this jacket. It's new, as you can tell. I have a tag on it, but very excited to wear it this week. It's a nice gingham kind of cross jacket, and it'll go well with probably everything except for maybe the gray shirt and the polka dot dress, but everything else it could go with, so it can really change an outfit. If I've already worn an outfit once, you add a jacket, it looks totally different, or also if it's a little cold, add a jacket, and you've got an outfit. And then this one's great because it's summer right now as well, but a nice tan jacket just adds a little more professionalism to an outfit, and also makes it look different if you're wearing the same outfit for a second time and want it to be less noticeable. So you've seen all of the clothes. Now I'll show you the jewelry and the shoes. We'll start with shoes because they're not as exciting to me. But I brought two different pairs of shoes that I thought fit with the different colors I have. I don't personally like to mix blue and black, so I brought a pair of black flats and a pair of blue flats. Of course, you could bring heels if you want to. I don't like heels. I'm already 5'11". I don't need the extra height, and I love walking, so I brought these two shoes. They can match any of the outfits. There's a shoe for every outfit, and there's only two of them, so that's nice. I brought some of my favorite pieces of jewelry. I'll start with this gorgeous piece right here. This would be nice with the black dress, the polka dot dress, the black shirt, the green shirt. Every single outfit could probably have this added to just give it a little different pizzazz, a different kind of centerpiece to the outfit to draw your eye away from the familiarity of the pieces and give it a sense of novelty. So we've got these pearls, and then I really love long necklaces. I just love the way they frame an outfit. So we have this one. I like it because it's a neutral in its own way. It's this nice tan leather and bright gold. My last jewelry piece is colored, so I don't know how well it would go with every single piece, although every shirt is neutral and the last one is green, so I think it would go with everything except for the polka dot dress. So you can see there's a couple items I brought because I really liked them. Even though I knew they might not work with everything, the gingham jacket and the polka dot dress and the green skirt. They go with almost everything though, and that's what's important. You don't want to bring a single piece that goes with nothing except for one other thing. You want to bring a piece that maybe clashes with one thing, but goes with every other thing. So here is a little lookbook of the outfits that I can create with the pieces that I've already shown you. It honestly only took me 15 minutes or so to put together all of these outfits. It's crazy to realize how much you can create with so little, but counting all of these, this is about 23 outfits, and these were ones that I would actually wear. There are probably even more that other people more fashionable than I, who would mix patterns or no other tricks could put together. That would make it more like 30 outfits at least with only 15 pieces. So these are my items for my capsule wardrobe for work. I could probably go at least a month at home if I wanted to with just this capsule wardrobe, but I thought it'd be nice to have something more concise to bring for a work trip that's only 2 weeks. I hope you guys enjoy the video.